Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Actor as Dumo Mtshali uhambe lapha ku TikTok namhla uposta ivideo yakhe la Anna Presley khona. Presley angiloshiye emhlabeni last week. Lebani labaningi bamati mhlambe bangamati ngacobra, labanye bebamati angatsotsi. So ubhale a very sad caption alihambisana naleya video, nibantu abaningi they were so touched. And I remember masaqala kuvakala ukuthi Presley like his normal, and people were saying ukuthi Nkosi yami, we wonder ukuthi uSidumo Mtshali unjani since they are besties. So ubhale le caption alifundzeka ngalendlela. It's John 11 verse 23. Jesus says, "Your brother will rise again, Presley. I have admired your acting skills years before we came out together, watching you on stage and on the big screen. Then God gave me a chance to witness it firsthand. Thank you, my friend, for honoring it. I will miss you. I love you, brother." Kusho Sidumo Mtshali laphana ku TikTok. uSidumo Mtshali waduma kakhulu ngeligama laSibusiso laphana ku Isibaya, and shame people did say ukuthi they were so close, like they were friends, they were besties, like nje people said ukuthi Nkosi yami, we wonder how uSidumo Mtshali is feeling right now. You see ukuthi uma qeda kwenteka something, sometimes umuntu vela athule, because at that moment akade kokuthi athini. So uSidumo has been like so quiet, bantu bakhuluma, abantu basenda bo RIP ku Presley, and then like he was so quiet. Probably shame he was just digesting this whole thing, thinking ukuthi Nkosi yami, is this real? Like, did this really happen? So finally he decided to break his silence, wakhuluma laphana washo ukuthi mngani wakhe uyomkhumbula kakhulu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.